Today's objectives. We want to onboard you into the SISEnet Hub. This is an Esri platform. Many of you are aware, use Esri. Many of you have never heard of Esri, but it is a stable national platform, which we're very happy about. Second, the objective here is to help everybody understand we're syncing situational awareness on 6 topics only for now. This is really a hurricane use case. It applies to any kind of storm or disaster, but first, we're looking to get 3 things from government. That's declarations, waivers, and state guidance, like sit reps, alerts, curfews, things like that, all in one place. And then industry needs to provide back to states facility status of key impacted areas, right? Infrastructure disruptions in the impacted areas, and information requests of states in those impacted areas. And it's a process going to take years as we go, but we've got a core group of people already working the issue now. And then lastly, we want to provide a new support service we're going to be using at this email address, support@ahcusa.zendesk.com. Zendesk is an international, very sophisticated help desk program.